Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to enable Autopay, so you always have full control of your lease payments. On the left-hand menu, head over to your dashboard. Then click on the Leases tab. Choose the lease you want to set up with Autopay and click View. Scroll down and open the Lease Transactions tab. In this section, look for Recurring Transactions. Click the three dots next to the transaction and select Enable Autopay. You'll be taken to the Autopay setup page. Here, set an end date if you'd like to define when Autopay should stop. You can also pick how many days before the due date you want the payment to be processed. Next, choose your payment method, either a bank account, a debit, or a credit card. This will be the account from which your rent is withdrawn automatically. Once everything looks good, just click Setup to activate Autopay for that transaction. Need to make changes later? No problem. Go back to the Recurring Transactions section. Click on the three dots menu and choose Disable Autopay from the drop-down. Make any necessary changes, and then hit Update at the bottom of the page to save your changes. To fully turn off Autopay, head back to that same section and confirm your choice by clicking Turn Off at the bottom. From then on, you'll need to make payments manually. And that's it. Autopay is now set up for your lease, making rent one less thing to worry about. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.